Start your journey to a place beyond the valley, where nature shows its beauty like a big art gallery. This land holds tradition and history for those who are full of curiosity. It's not a place far from home, it's a place where the fun comes from. Feel the experience through hospitality from a society that rich in diversity. No matter where you go, a warm welcome will follow. Its tourism industry cares about your facilities and accessibility. Taste the uniqueness of its culinary from a centuries-old recipe.
Assalamualaikum
And listen to the sound of Rapai. Feel the energy, harmony, and keep it in your memory. When nature calls, go to the waterfall that stands tall like a white wall. And for those who brave, amazing experiences are stored in dozens of caves. Its river signifies the purity of nature and offers an adventure. This is a place beyond the valley and now ready for you to visit and invest in beauty.